Welcome to the world of perfect cooking, where every grain of rice becomes a delicious explosion of flavors. Imagine a device that guarantees perfect results with the press of a single button, preserving the texture of the rice while maximizing nutrient retention. Stop dreaming. The Reishunger Mini Rice Cooker is here to revolutionize your cooking experience. Click on the link in the description to learn more about its unique features. See the thousands of reviews left by satisfied customers and order yours now. The Reishunger Mini Cooking Tool is the ideal assisted tool for those seeking culinary perfection without complications. Perfect for rice lovers, enthusiasts of quick and healthy cooking, as well as families seeking convenience in preparing delicious meals. With astonishing simplicity, this cooker offers you much more than just basic cooking functions. Imagine being able to enjoy deliciously flavorful rice exactly when you want it, thanks to intuitive use facilitated by simple menu navigation and a modern, well-lit display. It's a culinary experience at your fingertips, without stress or complications. And guess what? You can own the Reishunger Mini Rice Cooker with just one click on the link in the description and see thousands of extremely satisfied customer reviews. But that's not all. This cooker is not limited to simply cooking rice. It adapts to all types of rice thanks to its 7 special cooking modes. It becomes the ideal partner for perfect meals, effortlessly integrating into your daily life. Its modern screen is well lit, and its clear and easy to select menus make this device an indispensable companion in your kitchen. With a power of 350 watts, this high-quality rice cooker ensures a long lifespan. Its easy-to-read LED screen, 0.6L capacity for 3 people, and compact dimensions of 20.6 x 20.2 x 21 cm make it a powerful and practical device. Delivered with a rice spoon, a measuring cup, and a steam insert for vegetables, it becomes the perfect ally for healthy and delicious meals. Don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to see the thousands of customer reviews attesting to its impressive quality and to order yours at the best price to enhance your daily life. But why limit yourself to rice? Thanks to its 7-phase cooking technology, this cooker is also the ideal choice for preparing quinoa, cereals, cooking soups, steaming vegetables, fish, meat, and even making a cake. A true all-rounder that adapts to all your culinary desires. Its high-quality inner pot with a ceramic coating ensures even heat distribution, thus guaranteeing perfect cooking with every use and making cleaning a breeze. Simply wash the removable inner pot and the small collecting container with warm water and a little detergent. A considerable time saver that allows you to focus on what really matters, savoring your delicious dishes and the best part, and that the rice cooker is available at the best price. By clicking on the link in the description, you will also find thousands of customer reviews to help you make your decision. Designed to fit into any kitchen, this digital mini rice cooker is available in 6 vibrant colors, adding a touch of style to your kitchen space. Its compact size and a filling volume of 0.50 make it the perfect tool for preparing portions for up to 3 people. Using the Reishunger Mini Auto Cooker is child's play, suitable for children from 8 years old, under supervision. It is the ideal way to introduce young ones to the art of cooking while ensuring their safety. Click the link in the description to learn more about its unique features, see the thousands of reviews left by satisfied customers, and order yours now. Let's now recap the advantages as well as the disadvantages. The number 1 advantage, 7-phase cooking technology, guarantees perfectly cooked rice, preserving nutrients and aroma. Advantage number 2, timer function and keep warm, allows you to plan your meals up to 24 hours in advance with a convenient keep warm function. Advantage number 3, versatility, suitable for different types of rice and capable of preparing other dishes such as quinoa, cereals, soups, steamed vegetables, fish, meat, and even cakes. Advantage number 4, high-quality inner skin, ceramic coating with even heat distribution, preventing the rice from sticking to the bottom. Advantage number 5, ease of use, modern and well-lit screen, intuitive menu, and juice navigation for an optimal user experience. Advantage number 6, easy cleaning, removable inner bridge, and a small washable collection container with warm water and detergent. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. The number 1 drawback is the limited size with a capacity of 0.6 liters, which may not be suitable for preparing large quantities. Disadvantage number 2, moderate power. A power of 350 watts, while sufficient for standard home use, may seem limited for greater needs, so why wait? Click the link below to order your Reishunger Mini Rice Cooker at the best price. Discover more details about its features and check out the thousands of customer reviews that testify to the excellence of this device. Transform your cooking experience and let yourself be seduced by culinary perfection within reach.